Hello, welcome back to my channel if you're new here. If you're not, I'm Ariana. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this beautiful, really simple but colorful eyeshadow tutorial. Okay, it's so cute. Alright, and I also want to mention I got a couple of these things from Glamnetic. Alright, we're going to be trying on and reviewing all of these items. So I also got these really cute press-on nails. I love these and I really like to use press-on nails when I'm in a pickle, okay, when my nails are looking a little ratchet, and I want to go ahead and just like spice them up really quickly. And guys, this took me like 5 minutes to apply. So this is what the nail pack comes with. These are my nails. They're looking ever so crusty. So I basically just laid out and sized my nails, all of these nails to the size that fits me. Then I went ahead and pushed back my cuticles, and they literally give you everything that you need to go ahead and prep your nails for a long-lasting press-on nail moment. Okay, I'm pushing back my cuticles, then I went ahead and just applied the glue, and like I said, this took me like 5 minutes, and I really love having press-on nails like in my back pocket, like in my room, or like just to have them, because on those days where like my nails are looking really crusty and I really just need to get them like looking a little bit better just for like an event or something real quick. I love to have these just like laying around. So this is like how easy it is. It just literally took me 5 minutes to just pop these on, and that was it. That was literally it. I love the efficiency of press-on nails, and sometimes when I do look for nails, the shape that they look, it just isn't what I'm going for, but these nails were like literally perfect. Like I just put them on and they look amazing. So I actually also really like the design of them. I like to go for like cute and classic and just, classic pink, and these are super cute. So I really like the design and the style of this, and like I said 100 times, it was so easy. These are the two styles that I got. I like how classic and like just simple they are, super easy to put on, and I love them. They lasted like a really long time, and it was super easy to put on, and the glue was pretty good. So I'm also going to be trying on these lashes from Glamnetic. So if you have not heard of Glamnetic before, they are magnetic eyelashes, and I also got this magnetic um liner adhesive magnetic liner for the magnetic lashes. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the eyeshadow look. I'm using this Tarte Be You Naturally palette, and I'm using just these three colors. I'm using a dark brown, a light brown transition shade, and then a really light cream shade. So I'm going in with this dark brown shade first, and I'm kind of cutting my crease. So we're doing like a cut crease, like a fake lazy girl cut crease moment. So I'm taking an angled brush and I'm just kind of creating depth in my crease, following my crease, but going just a little bit higher than my natural crease. Okay, and I'm just creating a line just to kind of be like the base point of the fake cut crease. So I'm doing the same thing on the other side. Like I said, I'm following my natural crease but going a little bit higher, just so you'll be able to see like the line of, like, when I open my eyes, there it is. So it's like if you do have hooded eyes, you want to go a little bit higher than your natural crease so that you can actually see the detail in the eyeshadow look, because we're not doing this for nothing. So I went ahead and like flipped the angled brush to the side to just kind of diffuse that line a little bit more, blend it out just a little bit, but I also wanted it to be as dark as I could keep it while also kind of being a little bit blended out. So that's what I'm doing here, and I also didn't pick up any more products. I'm just kind of diffusing that, but also, like I said, just trying to keep that line there. So this is what it looks like after it's minimally blended out. Then I went in with my shader brush in that transition shade, and I went ahead and kind of buffed that transition shade into this dark brown shade. So me buffing out that dark brown shade with that angled brush just made it a little bit easier for me to go ahead and blend this shade into that dark brown shade. So I'm just using like windshield wiper motions, going back and forth and trying to get a really nice even blend. And these shades kind of really blend in with my skin really well, and it's just giving me like that nice kind of shadow moment that it looks pretty natural. So that's exactly kind of what I'm going for this look, since I am going to be adding a lot of color with the eyeliner and also the lashes. I want to go for like a kind of toned down eyeshadow look. So this is what it looks like after I blend the two shades together. I actually also decided to go in with that beige cream shade and apply it to my brow bone just to kind of diffuse it out a little bit more, just to make sure that my whole entire eyelid looks nice and made with the, powder eyeshadow, so that the texture is the same throughout. So this is what the top half of my lid looks like. And then I went ahead and I took the light cream eyeshadow and I'm just literally just packing it on my lid, and I'm also trying to keep away from that line that we created, that fake cut crease line. So the reason that I say this is a fake cut crease is because we're not using any concealer and we're just like kind of taking the lazy route, but I feel like it looks the same. And the fact that I'm kind of going for like a more natural kind of eyeshadow look, it just doesn't really need to be too perfect with concealer, and I feel like it looks perfectly fine. So I'm just like packing it on, and I'm kind of taking the white shade up to that line that we created. I also actually went in with that angled brush to kind of define the line just a little bit more. So this looks like a cut crease to me, and we didn't do that much work for it. This part is optional definitely with the angled brush, but I just kind of wanted to define that line just a little bit more, add a little contrast, like a really white bright shade next to that really dark brown shade. Really gonna like make the line stand out and look like an actual cut crease. So this is basically it for the eyeshadow look. Then we're gonna go ahead and add color. So I'm using the Glamnetic So Vivid eyeliner. This is the magnetic eyeliner and this is in the shade Sapphire. So I'm applying this as I normally do a wing, and the interesting thing about this is that this eyeliner actually has some like magnetic properties to it, so that you can just go ahead and apply the Glamnetic lashes, which also have magnets on them, and then they just stick right to the eyeliner. It's so easy, it's so effective, I love it. And the color of this eyeliner is beautiful. It's in the shade Sapphire, like I said, and the payoff is really, really nice. So what you want to do is apply your eyeliner as you usually do and then let it dry. It's looking a little wet, pretty wet right now. So I just like did the other side and kind of let it dry just a little bit. And then I went ahead and applied my lashes. So the first pair of lashes that I'm using from Glamnetic is from their Luxe collection. So this collection, or this pair of eyelash, is named Luxe. These are pretty dramatic. I wouldn't say they're as natural as like natural lashes go, but these are more on the dramatic side, more me, I would say. I do like a good dramatic lash. So all you have to do is basically just place it onto the eyeliner and there you have it. It's done. It's not going nowhere. So this is what the lash band looks like. It has a bunch of little tiny magnets along the lash band, and what I also thought was really cool, they also come with these anchors for both corners of the lash so that you can secure your natural lashes in between the magnets, as I'm doing here, and that will just secure the corners so that your lash is literally not going anywhere. So this was super interesting, and this is my first time trying this out. I thought it was amazing. I thought it was just genius, like lash technology. I am so here for it. And it was super easy to apply it, and it like literally sticks there, like it's not going anywhere. It's super strong, which is crazy. But this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and try on these lashes. This is in the style Ego. So these have kind of like a tint of purple to them. I don't know if you can really see it, but it has like this just like a faint tint of purple, which is really, really cute. I really wanted to get into kind of like colored lashes and kind of like, dabble in that area of makeup. So I really wanted to try these out. These are also a little bit dramatic, but they're super easy to apply. I just literally just pop them on. Also want to mention, when I removed the first pair of lashes, the eyeliner just stayed intact. Nothing really came off, and then I just applied these on, and like literally it's fine. It looks great. Like usually if I am wearing regular eyeliner and I take off my eyelash that's glued on, some of the liner will come off, which is super annoying. So if you need to reapply, there would be gaps and stuff, but nope, that didn't happen with this. So these are the last pair of lashes that I tried on. These are in the style Ethereal. They're so cute. Okay, so this has like a little bit more of a vivid purple moment. So this is the entire look. I really wanted to go for a natural kind of eyeshadow moment and then add some color with the liner and lashes. So overall, my review of these Glamnetic lashes, they're super cute. I love the like creativity that comes with it, and the technology is crazy. Let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!